here we go, the real final tutorial. So we're now just going to be performing a cut for the forehead face part. So here we go. We do have this little object floating in here. That was just that center fillet piece was just set a little bit higher than the other, but we'll be able to clean that up right now. So if you remember from our Google Cardboard specs, we found out that we want to position our forehead or our eyes around 18 millimeters away from the lenses. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to find that edge there. We are going to start with just a line this time. Alrighty, so that little edge there is referring to our internal structure, like the frame that holds the lenses. So I'm just going to draw a quick line there. Right click and OK. And I'm going to dimension that line from the end here so that it doesn't move. So I'm going to click those two edges and the space in between. That's fine. We're happy to over-constrain this sketch at the moment. All right, zoom in. There we go. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do a bit of a circle. Oh, hang on, right click. Okay, messed that one up. I need a second line. We're going to offset our original line by 18 mils because that's how far away we want our eyes to be from the lens. Okay, so 18, enter. It's just picked up half, so I'll just repeat that process. Enter, 18, enter. There we go. And a circle. And we're now going to draw our little circle. I'm going to make mine 140 millimeters diameter, but you might make it, you might look up some ergonomic measurements to figure out how big that should be. I'm going to use my dimension tool again, and from center to this line here, and we want to make that half of our 140. So we put equals 140 divided by 2. All right. Now what's happened there is it's moved the line instead. So I'm just going to undo. We're going to over constrain again. So I'm going to dimension the space between these two to be 18 so that it's forced 18 and it won't move. And now we're just going to do that again. So from center to our line here, and sketch dimension already exists. My bad. So this one here, I think. There you go. Okay. We've run into some trouble. What's the trouble? That's that one right there. So we're just going to double click on that. That was the measurement that we were making before. And we'll put equals 140 divided by 2. There we go. All right. So we've got our little cutout ready to go. Finish sketch and perform an extrusion. Again, making sure it's a cut and selecting through all. So that's going to clean all of that information up there for us. So we'll press OK. And there we have it, guys. If we rotate this around now, we can see got our nice cool forehead cutout, maybe a little bit too deep. So you might want to design it a little bit shorter here. Might need to design it a little wider. Totally up to you guys. But hopefully these tutorials have been helpful and you'll be able to now design your own VR headset. Thank you for watching.